Hey everyone, welcome to today's lecture where we'll dive into the fascinating topic of societies. Ever wondered why people live together in groups and how they organize themselves? Well, that's what we're going to explore in detail. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's unravel the intricacies of societies. Understanding society. Now, let's start with the basics. Society is essentially a group of people who share a common culture, interact with one another, and form a social structure. Picture it like a big community where individuals live together, sharing values, norms, and patterns of behavior. This can be in a specific geographic area, and the members often have common interests or characteristics. The term society has its roots in the Latin word socius, meaning associate or companion. It emerged in the 15th century from the French word société, which itself originated from the Latin societas, denoting a friendly association with others. Crucial to understanding society is the idea that its members share some mutual concern or interest, a common objective, or a common culture. Types of societies. Now, societies come in various forms. Let's break them down. Small-scale or tribal societies. These are tight-knit communities with kinship ties and a simple social structure. Think of indigenous tribes as examples. Large-scale or complex societies. These are more extensive and complex, with a higher degree of specialization. Modern industrial and post-industrial societies fall into this category. Based on development. Pre-industrial societies. Agrarian or hunter-gatherer societies with a lack of industrialization and technology. Industrial societies. Emerged during the Industrial Revolution, marked by technological advancements and urbanization. Post-industrial or information societies. Rely heavily on information technology, services, and the knowledge economy. Based on economy. Capitalist societies. Market-driven economy with private ownership of the means of production and individual economic freedom. Socialist or communist societies. Aim for collective or state ownership of the means of production, aiming to reduce economic inequality. Based on political system. Democratic societies. Characterized by representative government, rule of law, and individual rights. Authoritarian or totalitarian societies. Centralized power, limited political freedoms, often lacking democratic institutions. Algoro. And there you have it, folks. Society, in all its diverse forms, is a complex and dynamic concept that shapes our daily lives. We've explored everything from small tribal communities to the impact of the Industrial Revolution and the rise of information societies. Remember, societies aren't static. They evolve over time due to technological advancements, cultural shifts, and various other factors. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of societies, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.